I'm off out for the day, so I'm looking for one of my favourite hooded jackets on my clothes reel. As I don it, ready to hit the streets, I realise the stitching's loose. Not to worry, I know exactly the place to go. Repair Cafe Wales. But first, how am I going to get it there? Running, of course. I grab my rucksack, plonk my hoodie into it, and hit the streets. If you haven't got far to go, get a little exercise in to raise the heart rate a little. It will not only save you a few quid, but it will raise your mood, burn calories, and not your bank account. As I arrive, I tell the lovely lady at reception what I need fixing, and she sent me straight to textiles. Getting involved with the campaign is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Instead of chucking your stuff away and buying new, head over to your local repair cafe and get it fixed. While you wait, you can also enjoy a coffee and a chat with your neighbours. You can check out where your nearest cafe is at repaircafewales.org. The work is free, but donations are welcome. With my hoodie fixed, I'm good to go again, on with my rucksack ready to stomp the streets home. No one can do everything, but we can all do something.